Hey everyone! If your LG TV says Wi-Fi is turned off and won't connect, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to fix it quickly. Let's get started. Sometimes your LG TV might suddenly drop the Wi-Fi connection. When you check settings, it says Wi-Fi is turned off and no networks show up. Even when you try turning Wi-Fi on, it stays off. This is often caused by a software glitch or hardware hiccup. Rest assured, we'll tackle both. First, let's reset your TV's location settings to refresh its network configuration. Press the Settings button on your remote. Then, go to All Settings, General, System, and Location. Select LG Services Country. Change from Set Automatically to a different country. For example, if you are in the US, choose Canada. Confirm and let your TV restart. After the restart, go back to the same location settings. Change the location back to your actual country, but do not use Set Automatically. Restart your TV again. Now, check your network settings and refresh the Wi-Fi connections. Your Wi-Fi network should appear. Fix 2. Check the Wi-Fi module. If changing the location settings didn't fix the issue, the most likely reason is the Wi-Fi module inside your TV. Carefully open the TV case. Find the Wi-Fi module connected to the main board with a ribbon cable. Gently remove the cable and reconnect it to ensure a secure fit. Clean any dust or debris using a vacuum or compressed air, whichever you feel comfortable with. Make sure the cable is not twisted and is properly connected. If you're not comfortable doing this, contact a technician. Fix 3. Power cycle your TV. If the issue persists, try power cycling your TV. Turn off your TV and unplug it. Hold the physical power button on the TV for at least 15 seconds. Wait 30 minutes before plugging it back in. Turn your TV back on and check the Wi-Fi settings. This method helps clear any residual power and resets the internal components, potentially fixing the Wi-Fi issue. I hope this video helped you fix your LG TV Wi-Fi issue. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easier tech fixes.